touched, and we sang about a lover thing. All night, all night, all night.
Get a grinder or a cutting tool and cut out those bottom slits on both of the side plates. Take out all the burs and metal scraps. Next, grab your base plate and bend those wings in at 90 degrees. The wings of the base plate should fit in where you've made your horizontal cuts. Once assembled, your stove should look something like this. The only thing left to do is to drill the holes for the oxygen. That cost me $0 and a couple hours of my time, so it's pretty damn good. To drill your air holes, you'll need either a drill press or a hand drill with a titanium drill bit. And that's it, a 3x5 folding Twig stove.
So if you want to make a Twig stove, so the face can be taken out and lifted. I'm not wearing the proper gloves, so I'm not going to do that now. But you can lift it to add more wood. In the future, I'll probably make a bigger one, an inch higher and an inch wider, just to accommodate more wood so you don't have to constantly feed it. This is a great flame though, and this is not, I didn't add any paper, so this is all wood and wind picking it up, so this is pretty hot. What else? The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a grill on here, a homemade grill. I'm just going to use more steel or just like a toaster oven or a camping grill and just line the top. So this way I can put a pot or whatever on top, pot of water, water basically, and it can sit on top. Because there's no face here, you're gonna need like rungs for the pot, the grill. But yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, that's enough flame to at least boil drinking water. So that's my Twig stove. First burn's pretty awesome. Took a while to get going, that's because of the crappy wood, but it works. I didn't have the proper tools, so it took me a bit longer than I wanted to, but this is just kind of like a practice, like a prototype. As you can see, it turned out pretty well. It looks pretty much like a Twig stove does. Gotta put some more wood on, actually. It's burning out. But anyway, I wanted to say, it's, you know, it's not, I realize it's not the best, but it's because I didn't have the best tools. I don't have a drill press. I had to get help to drill those holes, okay? So if you have a good drill or a drill press, you can make this a lot easier. You can also make your cuts a lot easier. I had to use tin snips. That was a lot of work, but you know, you saw it. It looks fine. It's a friggin' Twig stove. You know, who cares? It was actually a lot of fun to make. I did a larger hole in the very bottom so that all the ash could fit in or fit through and drop through. And when you're camping, you could even do like a little hole underneath, so all the ash goes there. And you know what? Just looking at it now, it's like the perfect size. It's working. I don't have to like shovel it in. It's falling down that center hole, just like the design was made to do. So I gotta call this a success. Once you get it going, it really holds the flame. And it's steel, so it's probably super hot. It's good, man. Look at that. 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 Sucks if this wood's all wet. I think that's it, buds. I got some wood here. So if you needed to boil pot of coffee, obviously this is going to take longer in a Twig stove than a gas stove. My gas stove, I can boil water in a minute and 20 seconds max. Maybe in a minute and 10. With this one, I've heard Twig stoves take a lot longer. It could be 5 minutes. You got to keep the temperature up. That's the problem with Twig stoves. You got to keep it screaming hot constantly, a constant heat. I don't know why people like Twig stoves so much. It's weird. But this is it. This is my contribution to the Twig stove community. Okay? This is it. That's all I got. I'm not a Twig stove guy. I'm probably not going to use this. Actually, I kind of want to use it on like an overnight hike. But, look at its flames now. Yeah. Alright, it's time to do my daddy duties and my home stuff. It's nice to get a couple minutes out of the day to do a little video for myself, so. Anyway, did I say thanks for watching? Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching my Twig stove video, brother!